In this video, I will show you how to make a thread chain. To get started, pin your fabric to a surface to keep the tension on the thread equal. You'll need a needle with doubled thread with a knot at the end. Place a pin or chalk mark on the area you'd like the thread chain to start. To begin stitching, place your needle through the fabric and make 2 back stitches. Then, as you pull the thread through the second time, leave about a 2-inch long loop or enough room for your thumb and pointer finger to fit through the loop together. Hold the loop on your pointer finger and thumb, then grab the thread from the needle. Next, pull the thread through the loop, but keep hold of the needle. During this process, you will never let go of the needle, and there will always be a loop on your pointer finger and thumb. Now that you have hold of the needle thread, gently let the loop slide off your fingers and pull the needle thread, creating a new loop. You've just made your first chain stitch. Continue to make the chain stitch until the length is what you need. Once you get the hang of the movements, making a chain stitch can go rather quickly as long as the tension stays the same. The stitch is very similar to the French tack, but is by far more easy to control and ends up more uniform than the French tack. To end the thread chain, simply place the needle through the loop and pull until the knot is made at the end of the thread chain. There is one last step before cutting the thread. To make this thread chain function as a belt loop, mark the spot you want to attach the chain. The same way you started the stitch is the same way you end the stitch. Make 2 to 3 back stitches to lock the thread into place, then cut the thread, releasing the needle from the thread chain. However, when placing the end of the chain, make sure to leave enough ease for the bulk of the belt. In this case, I'm using ribbon as a belt. I've made sure that I've left enough wiggle room for the belt to easily slide in and out without buckling or bunching together to fit through the loop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and make sure to share the video with a friend. Until next time, my name is Audra, and I'll see you in the next video.